Finally tried the famous tiramisu crocante from Shibo. It's definitely not your traditional tiramisu. Instead of ladyfingers, you get layers of crunchy pastry and cold cream served semi-frozen. Sarap nung plain ng textures dito. And how the mascarpone and cocoa balance perfectly. Very subtle lang yung coffee flavor nito and I'm not sure if it has liquor. Which is something na okay lang for me because my kids enjoy this too. It's not for tiramisu purists but for me it's a winner. I'd gladly order it again. And if you're dining at Shibo, don't miss out on our other favorite. Para sa amin ng family ko, Shibo has the best mac and cheese. Perfect yung blend ng cheeses na ginamit nila dito and hindi nakakaumay. Our next favorite is the rigatoni Alfonso with shrimps, cream, and chili flakes. The best talaga yung combination ng tomatoes and cream. At gustong-gusto ng kids ko this type of pasta. Spinach Zola is our new favorite pizza flavor here. That spinach cream is super delicious and the texture of the pizza is perfect for us. First time lang namin matry yung insalata de mare. Different kinds of seafoods with alfalfa and lemon vinaigrette. So yum! We also tried their spaghettini aglio scoglio. Also good, but this is our least favorite sa mga pastas na in-order namin. At dahil may 50% off promo yung BPI credit card namin with Shibo, dito na rin kami nag-coffee. This is their iced cappuccino. This deal is super sulit, so make sure to check if your card is included in their promo. Kayo, what are your Shibo favorites?